Hello, my name is Chris Jacobs. I'm here at Ingersoll Rand's North American Solution Center in Madison Heights, Michigan. And what I'd like to do for you today is demonstrate the inline handle that we have coupled with a standard pneumatic balancer. This is an all-pneumatic setup. Basically what we're doing is we're eliminating the up-down push-button control of the up-down, and we're replacing it with an inline control. The inline control is very simple. Pull down on the handle and the load is going to go down. Lift up on the handle and the load is going to go up. I have approximately 275 pounds of plates on this setup. Put a force gauge on the control handle, and it's roughly 2 to 3 pounds of force to raise and lower the 275 pounds that we have on here. From there, like any pneumatic setup, we basically have 6 inches of float that you can raise the load, and 6 inches down that you got float. So if you wanted to do some spotting, you can do that as well. And like I said again, once you let go, you can always go back to the inline handle for your down and your up control. If you're interested in this setup, please feel free to contact your local sales manager or visit IngersollRandProducts.com. Thank you.